Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYEC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Had a bunch of requests come on in this one actually yesterday, but just wasn't able to get to the chart. But want to get things updated now as we head into the weekend, and that way for next week everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. So, not to state the obvious, but yesterday is a type of day you like to see both on two fronts. The first front being increase in volume, and then the next one seeing correlating upwards price movement. There is nothing more discouraging than seeing an increase in price like you had, or excuse me, an increase in volume like you had right there, and then see the volume either go sideways or worse yet down. This was not the case for MYEC, so that in and of itself is a nice little positive there for the chart. So looking forward, what do we want to see hold in terms of supports, and what do we want to see broken in terms of resistance levels? Well, let's start off with supports. The first level of support is going to be right here, and I'll change that to green to represent support. Is going to be from this low back here. You can see when the price came down here, bounced, and then multiple times, 4 days in a row, found support. And then on that day right there, when the price did drop below it, it became a resistance. And you can see this day tried to get above it, couldn't, got knocked back down. And then this day is when the price finally dropped below it, hovered below this level for a while, and then on Thursday when it was broken, this is when it was converted back into a level of support. So this is the level that you would definitely and ideally like to see hold. If it doesn't hold, then there is still the next level of support down here, which is just simply these previous lows, and that one's at 0026. I'm not sure if I gave this value or not for that one. This one up there is at 004. So 004 and then 0026 are going to be the two areas of support that you're going to want to watch. Going into today, actually the 50-day simple moving average, which is this purple line right there, was a level of support, but you can see that now that the price is back below it, this is still a level, or it has turned back into a level of resistance. So on that note, the near-term level of resistance you want to see some closes above is going to be 0.0053, which is that 50-day simple moving average. After that level of resistance, you can see a bunch of previous highs from over here where the price kept getting knocked down. That's at 0066. So that'll be the next area of resistance. And then after that, last one I'll talk about here is going to be up here. Based off of these highs, you can see price history right around here, and that level is at 0083. So some nice upside potential for the chart. Just a matter of seeing if this volume can stay strong and see if it can start to build in a higher low now to kind of act as a springboard back upward. So next week should be pretty interesting. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for a free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll be sent a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching spread across multiple videos. It's been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into yourself as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was MYEC. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend.